Question set 24. Find out the details of the student who got the lowest marks in the subject of science in the second term examination and the class in which he studied. So we should find details of the student who got the lowest marks in the subject of science in the second term and also the class which he studied. So to do that, we can write. So we got the answer as Kasum Rajamantri, who got the lowest mark in the subject of mathematics in the second term and the class which he studies. So the query is select all from student. We get the class details. I now join the class on class IDs that have been used as foreign keys with the student table, and I use the index number to get the student who got the minimum mark, and to get the index number I use the subquery where I use another subquery to get this minimum mark. In that subquery I now join exam term and subject, and I have done a mistake. I haven't write the condition where subject So sorry for the above mistake. So the thing is I haven't write the condition before. So now I added the condition where we filter the subject name as mathematics and term name as the second term. So now we get the answer as Sandhu Vijayaratna, and he's studying in class A with the lowest mark for mathematics. So if you go to database and we see that Sandhu Vijayaratna is the first student, mathematics is 4.12. So the answer is correct. So let's move to the next question. Arrange the marks obtained by all the students for the science subject on this one in ascending order. So we got all the marks that students obtained in the science subject. So, and we also filtered it by the exam date, but they have asked us to arrange that in ascending order. To do that, we should use order by, and we should write what is the parameter that we use to arrange this. So we are arrange this in the order by of marks, and we should write it's whether ascending or descending. So I will write ascending. So now we arrange all those marks in the ascending order. So let's move to the next question. Find information of all students who obtain marks between 40 and 80 in mathematics subject. So to do that, so we got the answers to that query. In this query, we select all the details from student table where the index numbers match the index numbers that we get using a subquery to get the index numbers of the students who has marks between 40 and 80 and who has faced the exam on this day, and the subject should be mathematics. So the answer is correct. We can check it from the database. So we get 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5 8. So 1 2 3 5 8, that means 6 and 7 hasn't faced so 6 and 7 hasn't got between 40 and 80. So yeah, 6 hasn't got between 40 and 80, got 82 above 80, and 7 has got 85. Yeah, so the answer we got is correct. Let's move to the next question. We did this, so we should arrange the boundary in descending order. So it's really easy. We can write a order by statements, and we are arranging according to the mark. So, and we need from descending order, so we write DSC, the short form for descending. Previously we used ASC for the short form of ascending. And if I arrange this, so I got the error. So actually they are asking to arrange this in descending order, and we arranged it in descending order, but we can't see this because we didn't get the mark, because they haven't asked us to get the mark. So for that I can edit the query to get the marks and arrange this in descending order if I want. So I'll give it a try. So I edit this query to get the marks also, and now we can see that the marks are in a descending order. And the problem earlier was that I didn't specify this correctly, so I should write student exam mark report tables mark as descending, and we get the details by inner joining all these tables with the IDs, and we wrote the conditions as given above. The only thing that I did initially was to get the marks so that I can see that the marks are arranged in descending order. So the answer is correct. So let's move to the next question set. That's it for the question set 24 for thanks for listening.